Nowadays, few people can boast of a productive start to the day. And that's even though the ancient Greek poet Homer wrote about how much morning affects a person's life. What you don't do in the morning, you can make up for in the evening. One of the world's top brain trainers, Jim Kwik, also agrees with him. He believes that only in the morning can a person push their brain to great success. Just imagine a few proper habits at the beginning of the day can really help you become richer, and this is no joke. Tomorrow morning you'll have a chance to test it out. The main thing is to watch the video until the end. Welcome to the Money Rule. Your journey to wealth begins by clicking the subscribe button. In the past, Jim Kwik was known as the boy with a broken brain. He suffered a severe head injury at the age of 5 and had tremendous trouble learning at school. For a time, Kwik, even though he would never equal the other kids, at least in terms of grades. As the years went by, Kwik spent his time learning more about the specifics of his faulty brain. Research led him to discover various techniques for developing his mind. Jim especially excelled at how to use his habits and brain to become successful. It is his advice that has helped Elon Musk, Sergei Breen, and Michelle Obama to earn more using only their brains. Jim has repeatedly stated that the main reason people succeed in life is to start the day right. The right morning is the key to the whole day. If you start your day with certain habits, you'll be more efficient during the next day. You'll be able to solve any problem and achieve great results quickly. What habits are we talking about? Will the proper morning really make you a millionaire? You'll find out right now. Dreams solve problems. The first thing Jim Kwik does in the morning and advises others to do is write down their dreams. The reason is that your mind does not stop working, and even in your sleep, it works on the tasks you had the previous day. The solutions you were looking for may well have come to you. While you are asleep, you are working or studying all day trying to cope with some tasks, solve work and personal problems. And when you go to sleep, your brain continues to analyze your past 24 hours. The mind unconsciously searches for answers to the questions posed during the day. It is in your sleep that brilliant ideas and solutions come to you, but the problem is that when you get out of bed, you no longer remember them. So I advise you to keep a dream diary. And immediately upon waking up, write down all your dreams, says Kwik. A little discipline brings up big people. The second habit which Kwik suggests the following is always to make your bed. Such a ritual, according to Jim, will allow you to start the day with a little achievement and keep everything in order. The environment is important to you. When you clean your desk, your apartment, and your bedroom, when you make your bed, you definitely start the day with success because you've accomplished the first task you've set out to do in the morning. With ease, states Kwik. Give this video a thumbs up if you make up your bed every morning. Water is the source of success. Your morning probably starts with a cup of coffee. But that's a fundamental mistake, according to Kwik. Because after waking up, your body and, most importantly, your brain needs water. It's essential for your brain to stay hydrated. In our sleep, we lose a tremendous amount of water. So when you wake up, you should compensate for the lack of advice, as Kwik. The secret to brushing your teeth. As it turns out, the process of brushing teeth can be beneficial, not only for the mouth but also for your brain. You have to do it right though. According to Kwik, if you brush your teeth every morning with an opposite hand, your brain will start working more efficiently. It's been proven that brushing your teeth with the opposite hand works your body and your brain. After all, it builds new neural connections. In addition, it triggers the second lobe of the brain, which is most often not working for you. You become super efficient in the morning. Deep inhalation, just like water, oxygen fills us with life and energy. Kwik believes that recharging the body with oxygen is vital in general, but for the brain it's essential. Many people wake up feeling already tired and foggy. So what to do about that mental fatigue? The first thing I advise is to fill your body with oxygen. To do this, you need to do a breathing workout. Making deep breathing exercises advice is quick. Emotions not only mentally, but also physically. After the previously mentioned rituals, take a moment for yourself and spend it according to Kwik over a mug of herbal tea. A little bit of calm and concentration won't hurt you at all in the morning. You can do that with a good herbal tea called Jim. Good green tea infuses the body with antioxidants and other nutrients, and a little caffeine turns the brain on. Keep a diary, and you also don't want to waste any time while drinking tea. Take up keeping a personal journal. Jim, for example, writes down the plan for the day and what he's most thankful for in his diary. I once saw an article in Time magazine about nuns in their 80s and 90s. I wanted to find out where their longevity came from. As it turned out, their gratitude and emotional faith played a significant role in it. Another important idea to remember is that you won't be given what you want. If you can appreciate what you have, morning workout is a must. Of course, you shouldn't forget how much of an impact sports have on your life. Not everyone has time for physical activity during the day, but you can always make time for it in the morning. Kwik does not recommend that you do an entire workout in the morning. The main thing is just to move around. This way you'll get the blood flowing throughout your body and prepare your muscles and brain for the stress you'll have to face during the day. Just 3 to 4 minutes of intense movement to get your heart beating and working, because the intensity of your heartbeat and the pumping of blood throughout your body also determines how your brain works, emphasizes Kwik. The main meal, according to the most crucial morning process, is breakfast, because it's what determines your energy, health, and mood throughout the day. During a long sleep break, all body processes slow down, caloric expenditure, insulin sensitivity, and glucose levels decrease, while cortisol production increases. The worst thing you can do in the morning is to starve yourself or eat a large portion of carbohydrates. In the first case, the metabolism will continue to be exhausted. The growing sense of hunger will make you constantly think about food, and the longer hunger gap in accompanying low blood glucose levels will increase the chances of crashing on calorie-dense food. In such a state, it becomes difficult to recognize satiety signals, because it takes longer for satiety to set in. High cortisol does not help this either. In the second case, too dense a carbohydrate breakfast and low insulin will make you feel sluggish and hungry after only 2 hours. It's all about the glycemic index. If it is high, then even the most useful buckwheat porridge will affect your body the same way as a piece of cake. In addition to providing us with energy, breakfast foods are a treasure trove of nutrients such as calcium, iron, and B vitamins, as well as protein and fiber. The body needs to get them. Numerous studies have found that if they are skipped along with breakfast, a person is unlikely to make up for their loss during the day. Finish your morning with a book. Daily reading will help you master 1 book a month and tremendously expand your horizons. 20 to 30 minutes should definitely be devoted to reading, because leaders are readers. According to statistics, the average person reads 1 or 2 books a year, and the head of a large company at least 7, asserts Kwik. A big result is made up of small things. It is worth once again emphasizing that the proper morning is the groundwork for the day. It may seem like a small thing to some, but in fact, this is what the path to wealth consists of. Tomorrow, waking up in the morning, you will face the choice to start changing your life, to become wealthier and more successful, or to leave everything as it is and hope for luck. The important thing is that your choice would make you a happy person. And that's it for today. It's the main channel on finance. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of financial advice and make money online and much more. Check out this playlist on our top 10 videos of how to make money online. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.